Example, what must be divided by -3 to make 11? Now in this case, what must be divided by -3 to make 11? So we say let the number be x. So in this case, it means if x is divided by -3, it must give us 11. That's the meaning. Now, what's the next thing to do? The next thing for us to do is that, looking at the right hand side, this 11 is same thing as 11 over 1. So in this case, by cross multiply, so what do we have? We cross multiply. So what are we going to have? It means x times 1 will give us what? -3 times 11. So in this case, x times 1, what do we have? That's x. And this is equal to what? -3 times 11. That will give us what? -33. That is the solution. Now for the second question, the B part. For the B, what must be divided by 7 to make -5? So we can say let the number be y. Let the number be y. So in that case, it means y divided by what? By 7 must give us -5. So this is the same thing as -5 divided by 1. So what do we do? By cross multiply. Now looking at this, by cross multiply, we now have y times 1 will give us what? 7 times -5. What is y times 1? That is y. What is 7 times -5? What would that give us? -35. That is the solution to the question. Thank you.